All right, I am reviewing this. It was a very good design. I like the idea. The only problem is that I need to connect my USB keyboard to this. This is why I bought this. And I keep getting an error message that there's not enough power. So if you unplug this, I can't do this with one hand. All right, so I'm going to plug this into the USB 3 right there, and plug this in to here. And I typically get, if I turn this on, typically we'll get a message on the laptop that says there's not enough power. So I thought the solution would be to plug the power cord into the power socket, which you would think would supply enough power to this device. Well, clearly it doesn't turn on. Right, so you can see if I unplug this, there's like a light here, but then if I try to plug in the USB, the light goes off, and there we go. There's the message. USB disabled, unplug the accessory, too much power. So apparently this thing can't put out enough power to power something as simple as a USB keyboard. And that's the whole reason why I bought it. So kind of sad because I like the design, but I'm gonna have to return it.